Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a video. We're down here at Tackett Creek this weekend. It's the first time here, so we're going to test out those new tires that I got and see what's going on with them. But so far, if you tried, you couldn't get no more in the middle of nowhere. But it's beautiful. So we're gonna get out and explore just a little bit this evening and tonight, and cover some ground tomorrow. So you guys stay tuned, and hope you guys like some of the content we're gonna get for you. Well guys, we're fixing to get after it this morning. I'm not sure what trail we're gonna hit. Like I said, it's the first time here, but stay tuned and enjoy a little bit of content. We'll try and get a little bit for you guys today. So thanks for watching. Hey guys, we made it over here to the cabin over here in Tackett Creek. Been playing around on a little bit of rocks, some trails and stuff, and we just having us a good old time out here at Tackett Creek. So I'm gonna flip this around, and I'm all about views and sightseeing, man. I'm too old to go over here and beat on some hills and stuff all the time, but I'm gonna flip this around, let you guys see this little part of heaven. Check this out. I know a lot of people's already seen this, but this is my first time here, so I'm gonna check out this cabin, and we're gonna go through it, give you a little bit of a tour, and go from right there. Yeah, man, there's no telling how old this cabin is. I tell you what, the people lived here years and years ago has been blessed and blessed. So this is a wild looking place. I'm telling you, slice of heaven. Bathroom. Somebody was thirsty, looks like, by the campfire. And I want you guys to look what a view. Man, oh man, this is awesome. This is awesome. I believe I found my new place to take a roost for a little while. So that's it, guys. We're gonna check this place out, get us a little water break, and hit the trails again. And you guys stay tuned and for some more content. Thanks for watching, by the way. Is this not fit for Hakeem people? I'm telling you what, the places that I get to see in that buggy. Yes, this is awesome. Awesome. Yes. This is awesome, crazy. This is what it's all about right here, people. Man. Awesome. like I said, it's my first time here, and it's been well worth the trip down here, man. This is called McLean Overlook, and I'm sure other people already know. Nothing new to them, but it's kind of special to me, man. It's the first time here. So with that said, we're going to continue on the trail and hopefully find some more cool stuff to see. And you guys stay tuned. I'm going to apologize for the lack of experience that I have videoing these videos. The glare off of the windshield just totally sucks. The last video I had the half windshield on and made a little better video quality. So with that said, I promise these little things that I'm finding out while I'm doing these videos, I'll eventually get better at doing this stuff, guys. Just kind of bear with me. The rest of the riding footage will be like this, so if you don't care, just bear with me while I'm learning, while I'm doing these videos, man. Thank you.
To the no, 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 hell to the no, hell to the no, to the no, 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 hell no, no, to the no, no, hell to the no, no, to the no, 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 hell to the no, no, to the no, 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 hell to the no, 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 hell no, no.
Well, guys, we made it back to camp. It was a pretty eventful day. Got to see a lot of cool stuff here at Tackett Creek. Come down Wolf Pen, and I don't know any of the other trails because, like I said, I've not been here. This is my first time. Had a pretty good time. Buddy of mine in the general twisted a drive shaft. Imagine that. So I had to take it easy on Vader because of the next payment. So, but we still had a good time. We went through some rowdy stuff and just enjoying the time out here with my wife. And guys, don't care. Please, I know I sound like a broken record, guys, but I'm just trying to get my subscribers up. If you don't care, get on my channel and hit that like and subscribe button. If you don't care, we're just out here, group of people each weekend. All those hard workers through the week, just having fun, man, doing what we love to do. I'm trying my best at this YouTube thing. I know it's not like some of the other big name brands out here, so but I promise you the content's going to be the best that I can do at the time. So I'm hoping to get better, and me and Darth Vader, yep, that's a good shot right there, and the wife, we're all three gonna guaranteed to have fun. So with that said, guys, we're gonna close it out for another ride, and possibly looking forward to going to Hollywood the 25th and 6th. So be on the lookout for another video coming soon. And with that said, you guys be careful, and we'll see you out on the trail. Places we take these things just to have fun, people.